Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Depending on when you are watching this video and where you're watching from. This is Christ and Technology Academy. I welcome you to this course and thank you very much for buying my course. So, the first thing we want to do in this training is typography. I told you in the course that the first thing we'll be learning is typography. As a designer, you must know how to type and you must know how to place your front and how to design your front. You must know the color to use and all of that. So in this shape, you have to click in on this three icon, then you click on it. The size you want to use now, you want to use 736.920. Now this is it. So the next thing you're going to do now is to delete this new text. To delete it, then you change your color, your background color, to black. We're going to use pure black. Okay, so you change it to pure black. Now click on these shapes, you click on it, then you click on this surface. You're going to see a lot of shape, so you pick the last one, the last shape. You pick it. This is the logo we want to use. Then you rotate it to this surface. It's okay like this, 130, right? So you leave it to 130. Then the next thing you're going to do again is to click on the shape. Then you pick this cycle, watch closely, this cycle, you put it at the middle. So it's already in the middle right now. So you change the color to color black, you cut it this way, then you put it at the middle. Now this is what we want. I think it should be bigger. This is what we want. You may not see this very well because of the background, so let's change the background first before we do anything else. So this is it. This is what I'm doing right now, so you have to move it. This is perfect. Then the next thing you're going to do now is to merge them together. You click on this, then you go like this, you merge it together. Once you merge it together, you want to remove this black from this white, because we don't need this black, we only need this shape of this white. Then you go to eraser color, you click on eraser color. The first thing that will happen when you click on eraser color is that the white will move out, because it's the white that is on this surface. Then you click on this surface, it's going to point to black. When your cycle is on black, then you click on check, then the white will come back. So this is what we want. Right now. Then this is what we want. Then you centralize it. After you centralize this, you just click on copy. You click on copy, and you click on rotation. You rotate it to the top position. You rotate it. Then you click on check. Then you use your position to move it up. You can drag it with your hands and drag it. You use your rotation and rotate it again, and ensure you do something like this. Then you copy it again. You can drag with your hand, and you can also use your rotation position. So this is it. Move it in. Can you see? if you will move it in. So this is that for that. I'm just using this so we can get a logo for this video. So we can get a logo for this video. So you just have to do something like this. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Now that we have something like this, so the next thing you're going to do is to mesh them together, and you let it become so smaller, very small. Move it very smaller, then you put it in the middle. So you can just add your brand name to it, or before you add your brand name, you make use of color. You can use two color for it. Let's use color. Sorry. Let's use color blue. And use color blue. This is the first side, and this is the second side for the color. Then you can still use this color. Just ensure that you do something very good. Okay, so you can move it to the side, and we have this, right? So the next thing you're going to do is to add your text to it. So my brand name is Christ and Technology, so I'm going to do something like CHT, and we have this. So you just have to place it on the middle, you centralize it, and you make it become bigger. So the next thing is to change the font. You can use any font of your size, of your choice. So in this video I'm using this. So let me reduce the size and centralize it. Then this one also, you centralize it and move it to the middle. So this is it. So we mesh both together, then you move it to the top side. Ensure that you move it to the top side. And let it be smaller. Please just use 10. Perfect. Now we're going to change our background color to black. Then we start the new design, right? Change your color to black. Now we want to start the new design. So what we want to do in this video is to talk about brand, right? Let's talk about our brand. So the first thing we're going to do is to choose our text, and our text says that your brand deserves better. Now this is talking about brand now. Your brand deserves better. So we're still going to use this front. Let's go for this front. So your brand deserves better. Then move it down. So the next thing we're going to do now is to make it somehow down. Okay, so let's go to so this is it. Now this is one of the design. The next thing we're going to do is to add our text. So we click on this place and make use of the text. Set freelancer, freelance and collaboration. Virtuals that's right programs road then just continue from Amazon listing to full virtual identification identify. So something like this. And click on share. Then bring this down and make use of your font. So the font we're going to use in this text is called neutral regular. You see it in the Pixellab. This is it, neutral regular. You click on it, then you make use of this size, make it very small. You can put it in 20, then drag it to this place. Drag it, then you centralize it. Please ensure that it shifts this to 990. Okay, this is so now we need to add another text. We are still adding text. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to choose this shape. Then in that shape you see these spiders. You have to make use of it. Then let the shape be this way. Then make use of it. Just give it 30, then make it smaller, then make it on this, bring it to this place, then you have to move. Everything you want to do is in this Pixellab, okay? Everything you want to do is in this Pixellab, so we just have to do something like this. Look at the color you're going to choose now. It's not black, it's something like ash color. Then you pick this color, then you move to this stroke, choose 2, then change the color of the stroke to white. Then you go to this place. You see opacity, then this opacity reduce it. Reduce the opacity, just give it 40, okay? So this is it, you give the opacity 40. You can see that this thing now is transparent now, it's just like a mirror, right? So you just have to move. You want it to look more Then you see this inner shadow. You click on the inner shadow, you open it, and you choose the same color. Please choose the same color you choose on that. This is the color. You choose the color, and now it becomes like a glass part. So you just have to move it to the top, move it, then copy it, because you're going to move it all around. Copy it and move it to this dissolve and bind in between this place. Then you copy it again, down to this place. Please bring it down to this place and just do something like this. Now we're going to cut another shape now. Now we're going to choose white with white with. Then we're going to do the same thing. You choose this, then you crop it, please crop it. After cropping it, you give it the same pattern. This is it. So after that, you crop it, then you move it to this place. This thing is not hard, it's very easy. If you watch this video, you're going to understand how to do it. You crop it, then you move, then you choose color white. You choose color white for this. You choose color white, then you check it, you go back to inner color. You choose the same color white, then you go to your opacity, and you fade it, please. Just give it 50. 50 is okay, so this is it. Then this one you copy it. I think this is the last one. So you copy it and bring it to this front of this yours. Then you go back to your opacity and you take it back to 100. Then this is it. So now we need to add text to all of those shapes we cut. We're going to add text. So the first step we're going to write now is branding. This branding. Then you choose it. You bring it to this place. Yes, we're going to use the same thing for all this text. Branding. Then this branding we're going to use this neutral regular. Click on it, choose it, and just give it second 40. Remove it just like this. This is perfect. Then you copy it, move it down to this place. Then we're going to write Amazon listing, Amazon listing. This should start with capital letter, Amazon listing. So this is it. Let this be. So the next one now is to type, copy this, and type the name of your design is typography. Oh, sorry, not this next. XMT design. SMT design. You can use SMT. You can use, okay, this is SMT design. We make it smaller. Let it be accurate fit. This SMT design. This is it. SMT design. Now you now start with this one again. Add your text. You just write Google design. Then you change this to black instead of white. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I want you to understand color and background. You cannot use black background and still use black text on a black background. So if you are using a black background, you should know that your text should be a black background, and if you are using a black background, you should know that your text should be a white or other color background. So this is why we are starting with typography and color. So you just have to take it in, and please let this be a little bit smaller. We can put it in 30. Then this, you reduce it. Perfect. So this is it. This is it. Then you copy it again. You copy it, move it to this white. Then you write typography. Typography. Better. This is good. Typography. So this is all we want to do for the course of this training. So you can increase the size back to 40. Just give it something similar like this, and that is all. So what we're going to do now is to add our text. So we're going to add our text. We're going to say designed, please add your name, designed by Christ and Technology. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is this. So this is the font I want to use. This is the front. You move very down, and the last one, this is 1 2 3 4 5. This one that looks like Arabic, you click on it, you choose it, you see, then you make it very very smaller. And please, if you are designing for a client, you don't need to add your name. You don't need to add your name, or else the client asks you to do so. Please don't design for a client and add your name. If the client have not paid yet, you can put your name there. Maybe you have a client that said, please send me design before payment, but I'm not advising you to send any design to client without paying. No, it's very very wrong. Payment before delivery. Okay, so design by Christ and Jesus. You copy it, and you add your phone number. Your phone number says, this is my phone number, 070 So your phone number should be there. So you have your phone number, you can change the text if you want, but if you don't want, you can leave it that way. You change the text and you make it become more bigger. You can put it in 30, so your phone number will be visible, right? So place it at this place. So the last thing we're going to do now is to now write your name, your brand name, write your brand name without adding design by. Then you click, or you can put your Facebook handle. Let me just put my Facebook handle and Evangelist Friday Bongo. So this is it. This is my Facebook handle. So you move it to this place, and yeah, we are done for today. So in the next class, I'll be teaching you how to choose color. Okay, in the next class I'll be teaching you how to choose color. So this is what we want to do for today. Please ensure that you watch this video and understand it before you make any design. Don't send a video to no don't try to edit without understanding the video. And if there's a question you want to ask me, you are free to ask me, send me a text and I'm going to reply. So this is how to save it. You click on this. Please save all projects first before you save your image. You're going to click on save. This is it. Save project, then project name. This is the first assignment. Just take first task, please. First task, because I'm going to ask you for your task after the end of this training. After 30 days, I'm going to ask you for your task. So you just click on it, and now it's saved on your gallery, right, on your design, right, on your project. Then you click on this place, then you click as image, then look at this custom, you click on custom, then you go down to neutral, you click on it, then you save to gallery, then you save to gallery as this save. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and please submit your assignment on time. God bless you.